Congratulations on your new hot tub. As we at Hot Spring Spas and Pool Tables 2 like to say, welcome to Every Day Made Better. We believe that there is no better way to improve your health than in a hot tub. We also believe that you have purchased one of the best hot tubs that money can buy. But like any major appliance that you own, things can happen, and we want you to know exactly what to do if something breaks down or just isn't working quite right. That is where our service department steps in, to make sure you stay in hot water and every day made better. This is a short presentation on Hot Spring Spas and Pool Tables 2, warranty and service expectations, procedures, and processes to keep you in hot water. For the past 47 years, we have not only delivered the #1 selling hot tub on the planet, but the very best warranty and service in the industry. Here's an overview of how it works. Each model of spa that you purchase from Hot Spring Spas comes with a specific warranty. To find the warranty for your hot tub, visit the Hot Spring Spas website, select your model, and scroll to the bottom of that page to download a PDF of your warranty. If the Hot Spring Spas and Pool Tables 2 certified service and warranty staff determines that there is an issue with the hot tub that is covered by warranty, then all necessary parts and labor will be covered under your hot tub warranty. That means that the only thing not covered under warranty is our travel to and from the hot tub location. That cost of transportation is our dispatch fee, which is applied to each on-site service call. This fee covers our expenses for a timely trip to your home to provide the service needed to help keep you in hot water. If you want to avoid the dispatch fee, you can start by examining your filters. Almost 90% of our service requests are caused by dirty filters and can be resolved by cleaning them or ordering new ones. It's easy to do this work on your own, and you can find video instructions on the video library page of our website. Filters are one of the 10 common issues that affect the performance of your hot tub, and we have self-diagnosis videos for all 10. If you are unable to fix the issue on your own or want us to handle it for you, our service department can be reached in the following way. As a customer of Hot Spring Spas and Pool Tables 2, you will have 3 specific ways to contact our service department. The first option is to call the service department directly at 701-532-0784. If it is outside of normal business hours, you may have to leave a message. We will return your call as soon as possible. The second option to contact our service department is to visit the address on the screen. There, you will submit the required information and whether you want us to follow up via phone, text, or email. Third option to contact us, and the option we like the best because we love visitors, is to visit our warehouse office, located at 230 15th Street Northwest, West Fargo, during our business hours of Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Those are the 3 methods: phone, website, or in-person visit. Just pick the method of contact that works best for you and reach out. Here's an overview of what you can expect from your service request from start to finish. You have just communicated with our service coordinator and have scheduled a technician to visit your home. Also, during this call, you can decide how you would like to pay for the required dispatch fee and non-warranty related parts and labor. The day of the scheduled service visit, you will receive a series of text messages, including the good morning greeting, recapping the ETA for your visit. Keep in mind that this may change depending on service volume. The arrival, letting you know that we have arrived at your location and will begin the service shortly. Diagnosis complete. This is the work that needs to be done. Please reply to approve the work to be done. The completion. Your service work is complete and you are back in hot water. This is the work that was completed. Thank you for allowing me to get you back in hot water. Thank you for watching this presentation and overview of how our service department will serve you. We are excited to provide you with the absolute best ownership experience, and above all, every day made better.